Okay, we've got a new order here from Gems by Mail. And it looks like we're going to have Labradorite, White King Quartz, Golden Quartz, more Lapidolite, Chrysophage, and Blue Apatite. So let's take a look here. This came for free. It was a gift. It's apple green opal. So that was really nice, you know. I like getting stuff for free. Here's apatite. I think we got 4 pounds of this. Oh, you can hardly see through the bags. But at least they're labeled so we know what we have here. And this is the Lapidolite. It's kind of a medium purple. From another company I received some Lapidolite and it was really pale. And then I got some from a seller on eBay and it's a super deep purple. So it's really cool to see how the different shades of it comes. Here's our golden quartz. You see they all come really nicely packaged. Here's our White King. It's almost like an opaque quartz. There's some more. And our Labradorite. I think we got 4 pounds of this. 4, and over here is our Chrysophage, because I was in a green mood that day. Okay, I'm going to rinse these off and let you see how beautiful they are once rinsed, and we'll be right back. Alright, here we are with our 4 pounds of Labradorite. You can see how much nicer it looks wet, but check this out. Look at the sheen on this, the labradorescence. Can you see that? I don't know if this lighting is really the best for it. Oh my goodness. Very, very pretty. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I'm going to be really happy I bought this. Ooh, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's get this boxed up, put on the shelf until we have a barrel open. Some pieces have more than others. It'll be interesting to see how it is after it's been tumbled. Okay. Labradorite. Very nice. So I'm pretty happy with how everything came packaged from Gems by Mail. And, you know, they have it packaged and they've got poundage on here. So that's really good. And now you can see how dirty the bags get with having the rough rock in it. Oh, it's so much prettier now that it's... Whew. I know, I like everything wet. It's just really beautiful. Can't wait to see what the shine comes out on these. Alright, let's put these away and then we will get our next batch of rock. Here we are with our apatite. Got 4 pounds of it. When I rinsed it off, you can see this was the chips that came out. And we're going to save all these for another project. But look at the blue on these. Isn't that gorgeous? It is just striking how blue these are. Absolutely stunning. This one's a little bit lighter. Cannot wait to see this tumbled. This is just really super wet. You can see the mica shine in that. Just beautiful. See the pattern in that one? Ooh, look at that. It's like it belongs under the sea. Let's see, we've got some chipping happening. So if we can see the chipping happening in the rough, we know what's going to happen in the coarse barrels. So let's try to separate these now so we won't have problems later on. Oh my goodness. This is just so cool. It's a beautiful color. We don't get these gorgeous, vibrant colors too often. When we do, they sure are striking. There's a lot of host rock on this one. Oof. It's like you have a little piece of the sea right here. Apatite. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Alright, let's bag this up and move on to our next little goodie bag. Okay, we have King White Quartz. It's rather on the opaque side, which is nice because that's what we wanted. We have some host rock there. Yeah, it's about 2 pounds. Very nice. Okay. This is white as my towel. Alright, let's bag it up. Not a whole lot to say about the King White Quartz at this point. I know we got a golden quartz also in this shipment, so yeah, it's pretty cool. It's really super difficult to see the patterns. But they are there. Okay, we'll be right back. Wow, isn't that beautiful? Ooh. Super nice honey quartz. Yeah, this is still my favorite piece. Love how translucent it is. Very nice. Okay, let's bag this up. Okay, see you soon. Alright, here we have our Chrysophage. Chrysoprase? I don't know. But it sure is a beautiful green stone. Now this is rough without it being rinsed off, so let's get the rock dust off of it and look at it in a second here. Okay. Ooh, doggies, that sure changes. I have no idea where that phrase came from. But look at the patterns in this beautiful green stone. You see the creams and the browns and oh, very earth tone. Yeah, look at that. There's a dark one. This one has a lot of host rock on it. Even the host rock is pretty. Wow, look at the orange in that. It just pops right out. So this is what it looks like in its rough form. Can't wait to see it once we polish it. I'm very curious to see how it polishes. That looks like it might be pyrite, since I highly doubt that's real gold. It's got to be pyrite. Can you see that? Sure shines. Wow. Some white host rock. That's quartz. It's so pretty. Let's dry that off some. Well, we sure got a lot of pretty things in today. Alright, that's it for this particular unboxing video. And I hope you hit subscribe, and we'll see you for the next one.